Hi guys, for this video guys, ang kakainin natin ngayon guys, happy. Ito guys, happy ang kakainin natin ngayon guys. Sarap to guys. Pag ikay malungkot guys, kumain ka din ng happy guys. Masarap to guys. Okay guys, tikman natin guys. Oh. Ito lang guys, ganyan lang guys. Itong happy. Okay guys, tikman natin guys. Sarap to guys. Sarap to. Ito guys oh. Okay guys, happy. Huwag niyong kalimutan guys ha. Kumain kayo ng happy guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Masarap to guys, happy. Ito guys. Okay guys,